Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about the dispersion of light. So in the previous video we have discussed about the refraction through prism and refraction through rectangular glass slab, and in this one we'll be discussing about a dispersion of light. So before going, we need to understand what is dispersion actually. So dispersion means when a white light, basically a white light, when travels or passes through a glass prism, it splits. We can observe that it splits into different colors, or it splits into its constituent colors, and this is known as dispersion. So when a white light travels through a glass prism, so not only in glass prism, if any kind of transparent object like glass, and then we have our scales. You have scales of this plastic scales are there. So if any transparent object, if a light travels or passes, we can see a small dispersion. Means the white light, it splits into different colors. Then here you can see the white light when enters through a glass prism, it splits into 7 constituent colors. What are those 7 constituent colors? These 7 constituent colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So these are the 7 constituent colors that are also seen in our rainbows. So in our rainbows we can see 7 colors, and these are VGR, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These 7 colors are seen in the rainbows, and we can observe these colors when a white light enters through any glass prism or a glass slab. So mostly we can clearly it can be seen through glass prism, and this is known as dispersion. So splitting of white light into 7 constituent colors is known as dispersion of white light. So very simple thing, dispersion of white light. And one more thing, here you can see these 7 different colors are known as spectrum. So this is the spectrum. So we have 7 colors in the color spectrum. So about spectrum we'll be discussing in the next videos, and here we will be discussing mainly about dispersion only. So we have why, if we see that the white light splits into 7 constituent colors or 7 different colors, so the first thing comes to our mind that why it happens, why this white light splits into 7 different colors. So does it mean that the white light is composed of 7 different colors? Means in white light 7 different colors are there or not? Yes, the answer is yes, that the white light is not a single light, it's a composition of 7 different lights, and when these 7 lights mixes together, combines together, this white light appears. So why this white light splits into different colors when it travels through any glass? So the first the answer is that the white light composed of 7 different colors, and these 7 different colors have different wavelengths. It means they have a different velocity of or in traveling, means they do not travel at same speed through any object. So the red light travels fastest in any medium. For example, in this case it is a glass, so in the glass the red light travels fastest, and the violet light travels slowest, and in the middle we have 5 different other colors, and they have like this one. You can see the red one travels fastest and the violet travels slowest, and this one orange travels little slower than the red, yellow travels little slower than the orange, green travels little slower than the yellow, blue travels little slower than the green, and indigo travels little slower than the blue, and violet is the slowest one. So they have different velocities, at different speed they travel. So because of this one, the dispersion can be seen. Means the light do not travel at same speed, and that's why light splits into different colors. So that can be seen, and that is known as dispersion of light. Okay, so about this wavelength and this spectrum, you will be getting in your higher classes in class 12, you will get a detailed chapter of this one, and there you will be starting about those in detail. Here you are given a very small introduction of this dispersion. So dispersion means splitting of white light into 7 constituent colors is known as dispersion of white light. So then another thing is recombination. So it is just opposite of dispersion. So with these example, we can confirm it that the white light is composed of 7 different colors. So when this dispersion takes place, the white light splits into 7 different colors. And if we take another prism and if we place it in inverted form, we can see that through the other side of the prism, the white light is coming out. Means that when these 7 lights are combining together, it forms the white light. Means the white light is composed of 7 different colors, and this process is known as recombination. And this dispersion of light can be seen in our daily life, also in nature we can see, and it is a rainbow. So rainbow does not form its own, it has some process in it and phenomena in it, and this is the rainbow forms when a rain occurs, and mostly in the evening hours, or when the sun is behind us. So when the sun is present behind us, we can see the rainbow, and after the rain shower, and this is because of the raindrops that are present in the air, and these raindrops acts as the prism. So in the prism we have seen the white light, when it enters through the prism, it splits into 7 different colors. Similarly, when the white light enters through these raindrops, it splits the white light into 7 constituent colors, and that can be seen by human beings, and this is our rainbow. So these water droplets or raindrops acts as prism which splits the white light, and dispersion takes place, and because of this one the rainbow can be seen. So this is how the rainbow forms, and this dispersion can be seen in our nature. And this is all about the dispersion of white light by prism, and I hope you have understood. And if you have any kind of confusion, you are allowed to ask me. And thank you for watching the video.